Top 10 Most Dangerous Animals of South America.
Take a journey to the Amazon rainforest.
Number 10. Vampire Bat.
Its bite is poisonous, the consequence is rabies, and they pass on parasites.
Their victims are mainly mammals like cattle, horses and donkeys.
Sometimes they even bite humans. Number 9. Black Caiman.
They nearly eat everything from insects to fish and mammals.
They are on the red list because they are hunted for their skin.
They live in flat water.
Number 8. Tropical Rattlesnake.
They mostly eat rats, birds, little reptiles and mice.
They live south of Mexico.
It gets up to 1,80 meters long.
Untreated bites kill in very short time, but there is an antidote.
Number 7. Red-bellied piranha.
They eat mostly everything that lives underwater.
They mainly live in rivers and lakes.
Number 6. Poison dart frog.
The more colorful he is, the more poisonous he is.
The poison kills within 16 hours if it does not get treated.
They eat mites, insects and spiders.
Poison dart frogs aren't naturally poisonous. They get their poison by eating poisonous animals like ants. Number 5. Shark.
They eat almost everything that lives underwater.
They only bite humans if they come too close to them.
If they lose a tooth, it grows back.
The power of a shark bite is 18 tons on every square inch. Number 4. Jaguar.
They prefer bigger mammals like deer and tadpoles.
It's the third biggest predatory cat in the world.
They have very powerful jaws.
They get up to 4 children.
They attack very quickly from the ambush. Number 3. Fertile ants.
They grow up to 1.8 meters long.
They have one of the most dangerous poisons of all snakes.
They get up to 80 children.
They hunt at night and mainly eat small mammals like rats or mice, but they also eat birds. Number 2. Anaconda.
The anaconda grows up to 8 meters.
The anaconda lurks in the water on the prey.
It lives everywhere in Brazil and grows up to 8 meters long.
It gets up to 60 children.
It kills its victim by wrapping itself around it.
Number 1. Wandering spider. They have the most painful poison in the whole world.
Its bite kills within 17 hours.
But it also has some strange effects on your sex life. If you're a man, and if you're bitten by this beast, you're going to end up with a very painful, long-lasting erection. Ah, yes! Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing, 'cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, 'cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone, 'cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. Did you see how it went through that? That was like a chainsaw through chocolate.